Hold on.
That was the budget for whatever it was at there. I'm putting 50.
Wait, hold on.
You can't do that shit again.
You can break the ice. Wait, hold on. Break the ice if he can do it with his bike.
Okay.
Break the ice if he can do it with his bike. Come on.
Hold on a second.
Yo, I'll put 100. He doubling your shit. Yo,
I'll put 150.
Nah, stop it right today. You do that shit.
yo.
100 times.
And you ain't gotta use your bike. You can use the lightest bike out here.
20 seconds.
I got the lightest bike.
My shit might be a little lighter than
No, I
you.
got a full tank of gas, yo.
I got an empty tank.
I ain't got it,
I
yo.
got an empty tank.
I ain't got it.
If I had a G to his 50, he still wouldn't have it.
No, I'll do it then, motherfucker. You got a G to it?
Yo, Saab. I got 50 on you.
We can't make it.
Yeah, son.
I got 50 on me.
Come on, man.
And I got another.
Yo, he thinking.
Hold on a second.
I got another 50 to help drop the
We got a
bike.
very important announcement. What you say?
Got little feet and little hands. He's not gonna make it.
Come on, man.
Go ahead, man.
Come on. Break the ice.
Go home.
He even doubled your 50 with $100 if you can do it. That's
Like
150.
haircuts.
150 to his 50.
Oh. So you keep your 50 and get another.
Come on, where your testosterone at?
I ain't worked out in a minute.
You a man.
I think I got it,
You don't get no pussy, man.
Man, I would have did it. I would have did it. Come on, man.
No, that was the bet the food, though.
We're gonna put 100 to his 50 if he could do the lightest bike out here.
150.
He won't do it.
He gonna drop me whatever bike it is. So, your bike, motherfucker.
I would have paid
Oh yeah, I forgot about that.
Okay, so you about to try now.
Crazy.
He gonna pick his shit up and walk up the motherfucker. I got this. Look at this.
All 4 of us are followers, right?
Hey. I got some footage on you, Seth.
Oh my god, y'all. That shit was hilarious.
He was a bitch.
Alright, fool, you know.
Yo, I wish you would do some shit like that.
That is a bet.
I'll be looking for you. I'll send out a hit on your ass. He's light skinned. He looks like
It
Casper.
was the power of the vest. That's all.
I was that's the beat of the hill, yo. Word
Man,
up.
just do it for the love. You ain't gotta do it for the
I
money.
ain't got my jeans to check me doing this shit.
I don't need extra weight.
Word up. That hill was something else about it.